Hello, is this taxi free?
Yes, sir. Please get in.
Can you take me to the airport?
Sure. Which terminal?
Terminal 3, please.
Okay, no problem.
How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes, if traffic is good.
Is it a fixed price or meter?
We use the meter.
Do you accept card?
Yes, card or cash, both are fine.
Can I open a window?
Yes, go ahead.
Is the AC working?
Yes, I will turn it on now.
How's the traffic today?
A bit slow near the city center.
Do you drive every day?
Yes, 6 days a week.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I meet many people.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. You?
I'm from Uzaffa.
Oh, nice. I know that area.
Do you speak Hindi?
Yes, I know Hindi.
How long have you lived here?
Almost 5 years now.
Do you drive at night also?
Sometimes, but I prefer daytime.
Do you get many airport rides?
Yes, especially in the morning.
Is this your own taxi?
No, I work for a company.
Do you use ride apps like Uber?
Yes, sometimes I get bookings there.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, there's a port near the seat.
Do you have water?
Sorry, not today.
How much more time to reach?
About 10 minutes.
Thank you for the smooth ride.
You're welcome, sir.
I'll give you a good rating.
Thank you. Have a safe flight.